Witnessing your child engrossed in the captivating rhythms of their favorite tune is indeed a heartening sight. Music possesses a unique ability to soothe young souls and elevate their spirits. While the cherished moments spent singing, conversing, and reading aloud with our children remain unparalleled, the advent of technology, particularly tailored audio and music players for children, offers invaluable support in certain situations. Here goes our top recommendations. All product links are provided in the description below. 1. Yoto Player 3rd Gen. The Yoto Player 3rd Gen is tailored for children aged 3 to 12 years, providing a curated listening experience with robust parental controls. A standout feature is the MYO card, allowing the recording of personalized music or storytelling sessions, available at an additional cost of $7 to $12 per card. After a straightforward setup via an intuitive app, children can effortlessly insert these cards for offline entertainment. With a focus on children up to 9 years old, content from these cards can be downloaded onto the device's 32GB storage. Additionally, the Yoto Player offers online connectivity for diverse stories, songs, and international children's podcasts. Parents can curate content, establish access parameters, and set usage time limits. Versatile features include a Bluetooth speaker, night light, sleep assistant, temperature monitor, and alarm, complemented by an interactive dot matrix display. However, a minor inconvenience is the need to restart the device post-sleep mode, potentially challenging for younger users. A smart speaker for children, the Yoto Player encourages creative, independent play. The extensive library includes stories from renowned authors, along with sleep sounds, songs, podcasts, and radio broadcasts. Notably, the Yoto ecosystem remains advertisement, camera, and microphone free. The latest Yoto Player iteration offers enhanced features like extended battery life, stereo sound, room thermometer, OK-to-wake clock, Bluetooth connectivity, and expanded storage. Operating the device remains simple, without advertisements or screens. Access over 1,000 titles in their card store, featuring content crafted for children. The content evolves with children's cognitive development, transitioning from white noise for infants to educational activities and classic children's novels. Multiple categories cater to preferences, stimulating minds and nurturing imagination. 2. Tonies Toniebox. The Tonies Toniebox, an innovative audio system tailored for young listeners aged 3 years and up. Upon activation, place a Tony atop the Toniebox to embark on a captivating auditory journey. This device offers a screen-free experience that stimulates imagination and creativity. The included Playtime Puppy Tony features cherished songs like Wheels on the Bus, and If You're Happy, and You Know It. For extended enjoyment, a charging station is provided, ensuring up to 7 hours of battery life. The Toniebox boasts intuitive controls, promoting independent play and interaction. Its tactile design invites children to engage with the device, dictating their listening adventures and fostering confidence. Parents can augment the Toniebox's content with personalized recordings, enriching the extensive Tonies library, which includes favorites from Disney, Sesame Street, and Paw Patrol, among others. While celebrated for its lightweight, durable design and user-friendly controls, the Toniebox has encountered occasional connectivity issues, and the acquisition of additional Tony figures can be relatively expensive, typically between $15 and $20 each. Nonetheless, this audio box captivates imaginations with beloved characters like Cinderella and Dr. Seuss, and features such as ear-squeezing volume adjustment ensure accessibility for young users. Specifications for the Tonies Toniebox include compatibility with digital downloads activated by magnetic Tony characters, a commendable 7-hour battery life, and a weight of 2.77 pounds. Overall, the Tonies Toniebox offers an engaging, interactive, and screen-free entertainment solution, providing children with endless hours of enjoyment while nurturing their cognitive development. 3. Jooki Music Player. The Jooki Music Player, a versatile audio device designed for children aged 3 to 10 years, blending nostalgic charm with modern functionality. Resembling the iconic Sony Walkman with its carrying strap, the Jooki Music Player offers contemporary features, including remote parental control through a dedicated app. While some users have noted occasional startup delays and emphasized the cost of additional tokens, typically priced between $25 and $35, the Jooki Music Player allows parents to craft playlists via the Jooki app, introducing children to an expansive array of musical genres beyond traditional children's tunes. This screen-free digital listening experience nurtures imagination without overstimulation or distraction. Portable and durable, the device ensures seamless connectivity via Wi-Fi, making it ideal for bedtime stories or extended car journeys. The Jooki music player includes 2 pre-programmed tokens, facilitating playlist interchangeability and inspiring children with their preferred audio content. Additional tokens and charming figurines are available for separate purchase. Compact and lightweight, the device measures 8 x 5.5 inches, features 5 GB of internal memory, and boasts an impressive 8-hour battery life. The package includes 2 tokens and a USB-C charging cable. Specifications for the Jooki music player encompass a recommended age range of 3 to 10 years, compatibility with MP3 audio format, and a weight of 1.5 pounds. In summary, the Jooki music player offers a captivating, interactive, and screen-free entertainment solution, encouraging children's creativity and providing hours of enjoyment. 4. LeapFrog's Let's Record music player. The Let's Record music player by LeapFrog is an engaging audio device designed specifically for toddlers aged 18 months to 2 years. This retro-inspired music player not only entertains, but also educates, offering a diverse selection of songs that focus on letters, numbers, animals, and more. Budding singers can record up to 30 minutes of their voice or playful sounds, fostering creativity and self-expression. The Let's Record music player features 10 learning songs that introduce children to essential concepts such as letters, counting, animals, and weather. For active play, 10 energetic songs like If You're Happy and You Know It are included, encouraging movement and participation. Additionally, children can enjoy 10 classic favorites such as Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, followed by 10 soothing lullabies and classical pieces like Beethoven's Ode to Joy, promoting relaxation and tranquility. Equipped with Bluetooth wireless technology, adults can seamlessly stream music from their personal device, enriching the device's repertoire with additional songs and soundscapes. The Let's Record music player invites toddlers and preschoolers to explore a world of music and learning, fostering cognitive development and creativity. Specifications for the Let's Record music player encompass a recommended age range of 18 months to 2 years, compatibility with built-in songs and Bluetooth audio formats, and a weight of 1.45 pounds. Please note that the device requires 4 AA batteries for operation. With demo batteries included, new batteries are recommended for regular use. Overall, LeapFrog's Let's Record music player offers a captivating and educational auditory experience designed to inspire and delight young minds. 5. Storypod Starter Set. The Storypod Starter Set is an innovative learning system designed to captivate children with its enchanting audio experiences and plush crafties characters. This award-winning device engages young minds through multisensory story, music, and skill-building activity, fostering creativity and cognitive development at every stage. Children can independently interact with the Storypod by tapping any crafty, audiobook, or trivia card on top of the device, activating a diverse range of educational and entertaining content, including music, fables, fairy tales, stories, and biographies. The story stickers provide parents with a unique opportunity to record personalized readings, strengthening connections between distant loved ones and young listeners, and creating cherished memories. The Storypod Starter Set includes the Storypod interactive audio player, featuring a carry strap, micro USB charging cable, and quick start guide. Additionally, the set comprises an interchangeable teal sleeve, offering a washable and soft protective covering for the Storypod, and a recordable token with up to 120 minutes of recording capacity, accompanied by 3 sets of customization labels. Furthermore, a recordable story sticker with up to 60 minutes of recording capacity is included, enhancing the personalized audio experience. Specifications for the Storypod Starter Set encompass a recommended age range of 0 to 6 years, compatibility with digital downloads triggered by tokens, stickers, and cards, a battery life of 7 hours, and a weight of 2 pounds. Overall, the Storypod Starter Set offers a captivating and customizable auditory experience designed to inspire imagination, foster learning, and create lasting connections between children and their loved ones.